Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Health and Inspire. My name is Ange. Video, i-share ko yung mga tips ko na naging effective sa aking weight loss journey. Ano ba yung mga ginawa ko on the daily basis to lose this much weight, which is 40 kilograms? I will also share the foods that I normally eat in a day. Alam naman po nating lahat na hindi po overnight ang pagpapayat. It takes time, patience, and determination. Just to give you a background, sa simula po ang weight loss journey ko, wala po akong exercise na ginawa. My only physical activity is walking, and it is very minimal. So I considered it no exercise for about 6 months of my weight loss. So ano ba mga tips na ito? Please keep on watching till the end of this video. Tip number 1. Drink 2 glasses of water before each meal. Normally, I wake up at around 6:30 a.m. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water on an empty stomach. Marami pong benefits ang pag-inom ng water. One of this benefit is to speed up our metabolism. After ng mga 30 minutes, I will drink a glass of warm water with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Optional po yung apple cider at warm water, pero dahil maraming benefits ang apple cider, I take 1 tablespoon a day in a glass of water. One of the benefits of apple cider is to control your appetite. I have a separate video about apple cider vinegar. I will link down below and here. And then, I start my breakfast at around 8 a.m. Ang breakfast ko usually ay eggs. Almost every day ako kumakain ng eggs. Why? Because eggs are rich in protein, in which nakakabusog. On this video, I'm having 1 sunny side up, a portion of stir-fried okra with bacon, a little bit of fresh salad, and a small portion of baked salmon, a cup of black coffee to complete my morning. I will have scrambled eggs with kimchi and smoothie, a piece of waffle or pancake topped with fruits. If I will have a smoothie, I'll drink my coffee later in the morning, and then I drink my water all throughout the day. I will share with you one of my smoothie recipes in this video. Number 2, bakit ako naging successful sa weight loss journey ko up to this day? It is because I still eat what I want or crave in a day. For example, I eat a small slice of cake or any dessert once or twice a week, pero konti lang talaga. Portion control is effective in weight management. Tip number 3, avoid foods high in refined carbohydrates. I stopped eating rice completely, but I still eat a small amount of pasta or bread paminsan-minsan. Lang din ako kumakain ng pasta or bread, at kung kumain man ako, konti lang talaga. Minsan, ang breakfast ko is avocado toast. Avocados are very healthy too. Para maging effective po ang pag-lose ng weight, I eat more of healthy carbs like vegetables and fruits. I avoid or limit intake yung foods with refined sugar like soft drinks or ice cream. Tip number 4, increase your protein intake. So, proteins will help you in metabolism. Nakakatulong ang protein to lose your fats. So, matagal ang pakiramdam ng pagkabusog. And ano-ano bang mga pagkain mataas sa proteins? Meats like chicken, lean beef, fish, and pork, eggs, chickpeas, at marami pang iba. Pero for me, I don't eat pork kasi. So mostly ang kinakain ko is fish and chicken and less red meat. For lunch, I usually have baked fish or chicken and then partner it with fresh salad. Sometimes I cook also ginataang tilapia or sinigang na isda for lunch. In this video, I'm sharing with you my ginataang tilapia. So please keep on watching till the end ng recipe na ito. The last two tips which I believe is the biggest factor of my success in at nagpabilis ng pagkapayat ko. Number 5, intermittent fasting. If you're not familiar with intermittent fasting or IF, ito po yung pag-cycle between periods of eating and fasting. Ang ginawa ko pong intermittent fasting is 16-8 method kung saan you will only eat during an 8-hour period and fasting for remaining 16 hours. So my last meal of the day is around 4 to 5 p.m. I eat less at night. Mostly I eat proteins again. A little bit of steak or a salad, and I drink lots of water. In total, I believe I drink around 2 liters of water depende sa daily activity ko. So sometimes I put chia seeds to make me feel full longer. My tip number 6, be consistent. Consistency is the key to be successful in everything you do. In my case, losing 40 kilograms, I still do intermittent fasting, even if I have achieved my weight goal. But now, may exercise ng kasama kasi malaki na ang na-lose ko na weight. So just by adjusting my food intake at fasting, nagsag ang skin ko. So as expected kasi sobrang laki ko before, I need to tone my body and build the muscles. And for long-lasting health benefits din syempre. And ang importante din, mag-exercise tayo. So, yun lang. And thank you guys for staying with me till the end of this video. I hope you've learned something from me. And I wish you well and success in your weight loss journey too. Thank you for watching. And please do not forget to like and share or leave a comment and subscribe.